Sometimes you just got to jump into it, hit that button, start to stream. I don't know what the hell I'm going to talk about tonight, but I felt like rapping at you, talking with you, maybe doing some 3D printing, doing some video gaming. It's about 8:45. And so, hey, welcome to Adam Talks. So tonight, I am pretty pumped up. I don't know. I guess I've had a lot of coffee today, and it's been a busy day, and I do not want to do any more work. I've been in front of a computer, but whatever. I'm in front of a computer now, and we're going to just have some time together. So if you don't know who I am, well, it doesn't really matter because I'm probably not having too many viewers tonight, but that's okay. I'm Adam Pocious, Abdonymous, if you know me. I like to play Witcher, Halo, a bunch of old games, and like to 3D print, show off things that I've been up to lately. So it has been a busy week already. Just to give a heads up, it's interesting because of what I do. We're kind of back in person, working at a university and having people come on campus. And so it's been a lot of life coming back into these buildings that had been pretty dormant for a little while. So it's been a lot of energy that I've been jumping into and kind of being able to absorb. And I think that's what you're seeing tonight. Also, I've been able to improve some audio, so we can think of this as an audio test. I got myself a nice cloud lifter, so we can see how the audio pops out tonight. You notice I got this nice little, foam cover for my mics. You know, I bought these mics on sale somewhere. I can't even remember, probably Guitar Center, because they had USB plugins and they had some other kind of XLR pieces. And they were always really good, but I never got the greatest audio. I had to crank it all the way up. With this cloud lifter, though, oh my God, it is just giving me so much more capabilities to sound deliciously good in this mic. Or at least it sounds good to me in my headset right now. So what do we want to do tonight? Let's see here. We got a viewer. So hello, viewer out there. Maybe that could be Heather. Hey, Heather, what's up? So let's just jump into it. So first of all, I have been practicing a couple things. So in the 3D printing space, I got some new 3D printers that we're working on at work. So I like the Creality kind of pieces. And so to up my game and not be so much into the Tinkercad kind of spectrum, I've been working on Fusion 360, and I feel like I made some good headway. So I've been able to figure out how to do a little bit more on the platform that's a little bit more professional. So I got to say that has been an amazing time to do that. But I don't know. Do you want to play with it tonight? I feel like that's going to be pretty sus to do it on this show, but whatever. Let's give it a go, because I've been trying it and I think it kind of has a little bit more processing power, and it might screw up my computer. But you know what? Whatever. We're just going to try it anyway. So let's go to our desktop cam. Let's see what this looks like. Let's let this load. So you're probably not seeing it yet. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. It decided to change itself to that one. Let's see here. Let's get us onto the right screen. There we go. Fusion 360. So if you don't know too much about this platform, what it allows you to do is do some pretty cool 3D modeling capabilities. So it has some very close similarities in terms of just some of the iconography, maybe some of the tools that you might see in it as a Tinkercad, but Tinkercad was very, very minimal and just kind of walking you into the door of thinking about using things in a 3D space. Whereas this one takes it to the complete next level. You have a lot more capabilities in this program. And so we're going to go and play with it a little bit tonight, see what I can come up with, just show you some of the stuff that I've been able to figure out about it. And then we can kind of jump into some Witcher, because actually I really want to play some Witcher. And I've just been kind of jonesing to play some video games. So here we are in Fusion 360. One of the interesting things that I've been learning about the program itself is it's kind of like a hybrid program, meaning that part of it is going to be online. Another part of it is going to be locally installed on your computer. If you haven't played with it, you haven't tried it yet, sometimes it takes a minute to understand what you need to do to even get into this kind of space. And so what should I do today? Anybody have any ideas as to a object I can create? Simple. One thing that I was thinking is you could do kind of a chess piece or something like that. I need something to play with and to see if I can come up with it. So I probably will do something relatively simple. What we're going to do, though, before we get into the object itself, is just talk about a little bit of the interface and some of the things that I've learned. And I had mentioned it's a hybrid program. So first off, I did not pay for this. It would be like $1,500 annually if I was doing it at a full kind of contractual basis, but I'm a hobbyist. I'm not some big engineer here. I just want to tinker with this. I'm doing it in my own house. I'm not doing this for people. I'm not making money off of this. All I'm doing is playing with Fusion 360 and trying to make little things that I need. And you know the theme with the show, either with Adam Talks or Adam and Ryan Show, that we do a lot of 3D printing and then we play video games, which is always great. So what we're going to do today is jump into this platform and look at a few things. So one of the first things about the platform that I found out, it's kind of jumping between drawing things and then taking those drawings and then creating shapes off of the drawings and then being able to put parameters and different kinds of pieces together to get the exact dimensions of the things that you want to create together. So here I go. I am in the interface in the upper right-hand corner here. I can kind of flex myself around the scene here. I'm going to click on top because I want to be looking top down in just a second. And I'm going to come over here to this button that says Create Sketch. Before I click something, though, I just wanted to show you when I click Create Sketch, it's going to show you some different sides that you can kind of a plane, if you will, to construct your sketch on. So I got to pick which one I want to start on. So do I want to do it on a Z, X, Y axis? So I really want to look at down from the top and kind of create something that will build off. So I'm going to click on this plane here, and now I am in sketch mode. So there's a couple of things you can do. One of the cool things that I learned is you can click on the main sketch button. I can click, and I'm going to click right in the center point. And you notice as I start just pulling, I clicked and released. And so now I have a line that I'm able to draw. So if I come over here, I could go about 1.5 inches. Notice that I'm using inches today. I guess one of the tutorials that I was watching was in inches, and so I converted this over from millimeters. I'm typically working millimeters, or metric, I guess I could say that. But yeah, millimeters is most of the size of the things I create. But in this case, we'll just go ahead and stick with inches since I already have it set up that way. But when I go over to the point that I want to go, so 1.5 inches to the right-hand side here, I'm going to click, but in this case, I'm going to not release. And what's really cool about that is now I can pull out an arc. So you can see that I can go up. So let me just go 1/4 inch up. I don't even know what I'm creating right here. I'm just making this off the fly. Now I'm going to release, and I'm going to move over to here again. I'm going to click and hold. And now I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to finish that connection. I just made a little drawing here. So there's a couple of things that you could do once you create one of these drawings that I've learned. I can't remember which exact one that I want to go ahead and go for first, but let's just go ahead and play around and see what this shape of what I can do with it. So first I'm going to finish the sketch itself. So we got a sketch in here. Let me kind of reset myself. If I go and look from the side, it's nothing. It's just a flat nothing. It's a sketch. Over in this little panel on the left here, if I click this drop down arrow, there's my sketch. I can turn it on and off. You can kind of see that sketch I created, but it's not an object. It's nothing that you can kind of work with at this point. So what I want to do is be able to create this sketch into a 3D object so I could start manipulating it, do some additional things with it. So one of the things that I did learn, though, is there's this midpoint right here. You can see that this is the middle of our whole platform. And what you want to try to do is line your sketch up or your designs up directly so it's exactly in the middle. There's some reasons you don't want to do that, I guess. Well, I'm on the select tool, and what I should be able to do, well, I'm able to adjust the tool itself, is if I go ahead and click from the left-hand side and select everything, I should be able to maybe not move anything. Okay, so I must have done something where it's stuck in position and I can't remember how I can move that. So one of the things that I did know, though, is once you kind of you select something like that, there's these different tools that you can use. So one of the ones that I was looking at before was under this, I believe it was under Assemble. Maybe it's Modify. Ah, crap. Now I can't even remember where it is. This is what happens when you play through all of the Pluralsight lessons and then you try to apply it in real time in a stream and you don't know what the hell you're doing. But that's okay. So I'm going to leave it right there for now because I should be able to move this at some point, but I think it has to do something with this midpoint that I created. Since it's touching the midpoint, I would want to move this sketch and kind of line it up over the top of it. But now that I'm not able to do that, that's fine. We could still do all the other pieces that I would like to do. So with the sketch itself, okay, we got the sketch. I'm going to jump back up on the top here. I'm going to select that sketch. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to modify it. Now, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can say, let's do a press pull. So you're taking a sketch and now you're going to pull out an object out of it. So I'm going to click on press pull. And at this stage, let's go down here. You're going to notice from the side, I can pull it up. Now we have some dimensions to the shape. That looks pretty sweet. So there's a couple other parameters in here that we can look at. So which direction do you want to pull that up? You'll notice I pulled it straight up. If I went ahead and got in here, I can go with a symmetric, or you can pull out both sides. If I did both sides, notice as I pull it up, it's going to increase and decrease based off of what I have in there. Now, I just am going to stay on the one side because I'm going to just kind of build up from this bottom plate right here. Now, there are a couple other things that you can do here that we're not going to even talk about right now, but I'm just going to use distance right now. Distance is fine. I'm going to pull it up about 1/2 inch. That looks good. And I'm going to hit OK. Now we've created a 3D object on our plane. Looks pretty cool, right? So if I click this home button, it's going to give me that little profile view. You're going to notice that there's little different pieces on here that you can kind of touch and play with. Like I couldn't even create an object on here before. I just didn't know how to do it. But now that I went to the tutorials, look at this. I got some 3D objects in there. But that's not all. There's other cool things that I can do with this object. And I'm just really showing you off. I'm not necessarily creating something super cool right now. I am just creating some objects. One of the things that you can do as well is if you select an object, I believe I could right click, and there's a few other options that you're going to notice in here. So you could create a hole in an object. Let's just try that. Let's see what a hole does. So right now, right off the bat, it's trying to actually create a hole. Let me see if I can kind of see it from the side through kind of the top of there. So you could adjust where that hole is going to be. Maybe I'm just going to put it down here. Let's give that a look. I don't know what this could be. It almost looks like I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't say it looks like a microphone. It looks like something interesting that you'd have a hole in. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up a little bit more. I'm going to go 0.4 high. Oh, crap. I should not have hit enter. That's one of the things that I'm really bad at, is that I type in the things on this and I hit enter. So I'm going to Control Z because I didn't want to do that. When I hit enter, I basically committed that hole to actually going into this interface. So again, I'm going to go ahead and click on maybe the face I want to put the hole. I'll click on hole. That's what I wanted to do earlier. So now it's going to just drive a hole directly through that because that was the face that I wanted that to happen on. So I'm going to adjust the size of this a little bit. I'm going to kind of go ahead and move it to that point. And then I have some additional parameters here. So I have a 0.2 inch radius, actually diameter. That's a diameter. And then there's a couple other things we can do. So we want to go straight through hole type. That looks like it's going well. These hole things are great because what it allows you to do is not have to go and take an object and try to create another one and take away some of that. So if I click OK right now, just in a few clicks, I have a pretty nicely done object that's perfectly snapped into the center point of this arc with another little circle right there. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm going to click on that face again. I'm going to go ahead and right click and go into my hole tab, and I'll take that down to 2. Pull this one over to the side. And it's snapping right now. Apparently I have snap on to make this happen. All the other parameters in here are pretty good, so I'm going to hit OK again. Look at that. That almost looks like a chain link, almost like a bike chain link. Somewhat. There's some pieces that would be missing. But what I could do next is it looks a little rough around these edges, if you'll notice. And so one of the things that I was looking at is some fillets and champers to kind of even that out around the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and let's see if I can make this work. So if I go to this modifier right here, you'll notice there's a fillet and there's a chamfer. Do I want rounded or want it flat? I'm going to go with the rounded. Let's see if this does the thing that I want it to do. So I have to select the face, which is this face. And then we got to give it some sort of a tangent, I guess, as a measurement for this. So let's put 2. Ooh, that looks nice. You see that right here? How it has that nice little rounded. Let's zoom in a little bit. So it kind of rounds that edge off. This is just like a nice little finishing touch. But interestingly enough, since I selected this face, it also did it to this interior area. So I wonder, I'm going to actually subtract that. I'm going to see if I could just do it on around the edge and not on the circles itself. So if I select that, it says it's selecting 4 faces. And notice that I clicked this face and it selected every face around here. So I'd have to kind of figure out why it selected all the faces. Is there something going on right there? Let's see here. Oh, no, it's just looking underneath of it. I see. It's like kind of seeing through it. Now let's give that a, what would I have? 0.2 before, or I'll put a 0.03. Now that's looking pretty smooth. It's doing exactly what I want. One of the interesting things about it though is it puts it every side of these faces. Since these faces kind of all have a flow to them, all these tangents touch each other, that it's going to allow you to just select them and it chain reactions of them. So you see this thing called tangent chain? It's basically just linking these all together because they're all connected to the face. So if I deselect that, let's see if this... let me subtract that again. We're going to try it once just on this face to see if we can just do it on one side. I'm playing around here. So there you go. I just did it on one side, and you'll notice it has kind of a weird little look to it. I don't know if that's actually what I would really want in real life. I think that tangent chain was kind of cool. But just to show you that you can select a specific side, you can select multiple sides in a chain, and you'll be able to do that. So I'll click all 4 faces. Now we've rounded out those edges. We've created a pretty interesting little part thus far. I mean, I don't know what I would do with it, but let's say we wanted to continue building and I wanted to add some additional depth onto this. Like, what other options can I do? Let's say we wanted to build a little more on the top here. Maybe these are just some screw holes to mount this into something and we're making kind of a statuette. The next thing is you got to kind of, there's a couple ways you could do this. At least the way that I've been taught about it is I could do an offset plane. So I can select another plane. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select this face and say, I want to create a plane on this face. And do I want to offset it from this or do I want it to be exactly on that face? At this point, I'm just going to hit OK, so it's exactly on this face. And you're going to notice over here under the construction, I've created a new plane that I can then select if I'm going to do my next drawing, which I'm going to do. So I will click Create Sketch. And again, it's going to say what face, which plane do you want to select? You can do your drawing. I'm going to create the new one I just did. So there we go. And notice right when I select it, it actually takes the eyeball off of that one so that you can just start working on that particular face. So the next thing is let's go ahead and see what other shapes we can create. There's a couple in here that I hadn't played with at all. So there's this ellipse. I haven't done it. Polygon. Interesting. Arcs. I did play with that a little bit. I did play with circles. So let's just do a circle, whatever, what the hell. We're going to create a circle, so I'm going to do a circle with a diameter, so I'm going to click there, maybe pull it out just a minute, just a little bit. Let's get it about 0.4 of an inch. So we've created our circle right directly in the middle of our object. Now what I'm going to do is notice that I'm still in that circle draw mode. If you hit escape, gets you right out of there. Now I'm going to say finish that that particular drawing. There, we got that drawing right there. And again, what do we want to do? Maybe let's do another push-pull or extrude like we had done before. So the way that I've been learning to do it is you could, of course, go to this modify and do the press-pull there. But I've been getting used to just using some of the right-click tools. And one of the interesting things is if you right-click, they have some really interesting mouse moves here, is if I click it pull off to the side. Oh, shoot. It was supposed to do the thing. It didn't do the thing. Oh, there it is. So it's saying it's putting it to extrude mode, which I kind of wanted to do the press pull instead. So I'm going to click on that one again. I'm going to right click. And I'll just click right there. Okay, so I guess it is push pull is extrude, so it's the same thing. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and pull up, and you'll notice that I am creating another element on top of there. So we're just kind of creating different shapes and being able to join them or remove them. So I could make this as a cut. Remember before when we were doing the holes, you could take this shape, intersect it with this, and create a cut in that shape. I don't want to do that today. I actually want to join the shape, so we're going to keep it on join. The distance is fine. I'm just arbitrarily pulling this up out of there. And let's see here. Yeah, we're going to start on that plane. And let's see here. A thin extrude. A thin wall along the selected open and closed profiles. I don't know what that is. Let's click it. Oh, it's a tube. Huh. That's cool. We got a tube. So can I adjust the angles? Oh, yeah, you do. You have a wall thickness adjustment. Let's just increase that a little bit. I want to see what happens. So I've hit on 5.059. Yeah, it gets a little thicker. Huh, that's cool. All right, so I think that's it. That's cool. I'm just going to hit OK here. I don't know what the hell I created, but it feels like it's a part for something. I could put that together in... okay, so this could be a really high-tech pencil holder. You could just basically put some screws to your desk and then put your nice little pencil in there so it doesn't fall over. See, I'm a genius. I can make some amazing things in 3D. So up to this point, I think we've made some pretty cool things, but I don't like this edge. It's so sharp. I like these nice little edges that we've been creating. So what can we do? Let's go over here again. Let's play with our fillet. I'm going to create on that edge. And what was I using before? I think it was like a 0.03. Ooh, so that may be too much. I'll do 0.2. Yeah. I like it. It looks nice. So we'll leave it pretty clean and crisp on the inside. On the outside, it's going to be pretty nice. Now, here's something else that's cool. I'm going to add another one, and I should be able to select this shape, and it's going to do the same thing, but kind of outside. So it kind of, let's zoom into that and see what that looks like. So it's creating kind of this nice, it's not just such a sharp face. It just slowly kind of curves into it. I don't know what you would call that. But it makes it really clean and a very awesome part. So up to this point, I'm feeling pretty good about what we created in this thing. If you saw the work 3 days ago in this thing, I didn't know how the hell to even make a damn thing, and here I am making a part pretty quickly. But that's not all. There's so much more that you can do with this interface that I thought was pretty amazing. And since this is just me tinkering around, because this is kind of like a 3D printing, modeling, playing with these kinds of programs show, I did want to show you a little bit more as to what we can do in terms of giving this as a layout so others can see it in a design drawing. So I've learned all this stuff recently. So of course I could go in here and I could export this. I could go 3D print this like we were. Shoot, maybe I should 3D print it. Hell, we're going to 3D print this. Let me see if I could export this. I should be able to. Export. And what kind of file do we have? STL. There we go. This file requires cloud translation. Oh, I have to save it. Of course you got to save your stuff. Let's call this pencil holder. I'm really gonna use this as a pencil holder now because I made it. Fate has made my amazing pencil holder. All right, we got that thing saved up. Again, we're gonna go over to export, and I'm gonna throw it on my desktop. Let's make sure we get it to an STL file. There we go. Export my pencil holder. So while that's exporting, what I wanted to talk about is building design sheets. So I've always was impressed. I remember back in high school, this is like in the 90s, that I was learning how to CAD draw. I had this big piece of cardboard. What did I say cardboard? Maybe it wasn't cardboard. It was a piece of wood, very flat. And we would get these big sheets of paper that we would lay on that board. And what we would do then is tape in the corners perfectly so it's all perfect on there. Then you'd come out about 1/4 of an inch and draw a line in there. You draw this box in the lower right corner, and you'd have to put all these things about what that drawing is and draw in these perfect, exact letters to explain your CAD drawing. And then we'd do different views of the thing that we were designing. Of course, there was lessons and things like that. So it was very manual, very much, protractors, compasses, pencils, all these other things. And then I also remember playing on a computer with a green screen, doing a little bit of CAD back then. And that's what kind of this makes me think of, but now it's like super amazing. You can do things quickly, and I could do this in my own house, and I can go and 3D print a part that I create. So amazing. So we are done. I exported the part. Before we go to print it, I just do want to show you a little bit about creating a new drawing because it just seems so badass. So if I go to create a new drawing, we're going to create one of a full assembly. So I'll hit OK here, and it's going to take a second. It's going to throw me into this sheet. I feel like, okay, there it goes. There it is. This is what it used to look like when we would draw things when I was in high school in the 90s. And now here I am able to just place something here. Again, I'm super newbie here, but if you're learning alongside me, you probably can pick up a few things. But what's cool is I'm going to go ahead and just drop this part somewhere, and watch this. Right when I drop it, it kind of it throws it on the table or on the board. Now I have some different things. Do I want to show edges? Do I want to show what kind of style should this look like? Because right now it looks like a 3D part, right? Well, you could do it just with like shading. You could do it with visible edges, hidden edges. Let me try this one. I'm going to hit OK. Let's see if that does it. So it kind of looks like a drafted part there. Now the next step is to figure out how to get some of these other projected views here. So let's see here. I remember clicking on something like that. I have to create another one. So I have to create a projected view. I got to figure out, I have to click this one. Oh, there it is. Check it out. So now I'm going to create my second view. So if this is from the side of it, this would be looking at it from, let's see here. Let's click that down. I don't know if I can change it. Oh, check that out. You pull it over here, you get the 3D part view. If I put it up over here, you get the side view. So that is just amazing to me that I'm able to just design this part, and now I'm starting to create my little pencil holder. So of course I'm just pulling this little part around. If I put it up here, I could put more. You can put all these different views across your board. I'm gonna hit escape. I'm gonna get those parts in there. We're gonna start adjusting these parts. Now this is where I felt like it was so amazing. So I can come in here, and I believe you hit the letter D. Let's see if I do that. Is it D for dimensions? It is. So I can click here at this point, and I can click here on this line, and I can come over here, and it's going to tell you the exact dimensions. And so I can come over here, and I can pull this out. It's going to, oh wait, what am I doing here? Specify a point. Oh, I don't want to specify a point. I'm going to hit the D again. I hit escape. I'm going to click this in here. Oh, yep. It feels like it should be showing the radius. I don't know why it's trying to show a diameter. Maybe I need to like drag it out. I'm going to hit escape again. So let me just try this. So if I hit D, click drag, I'm apparently doing something terribly wrong, because this should be showing me what the radius, or at least the diameter of this is. So it's not doing what I needed to do. So let's just let's flex. Let me just go over. Oh, see. Oh, I have to click on the edge. Duh. So click on the edge. There is my. I'm not sure. It's either a radius or diameter. That looks like it might be, let's see here. Does it tell me what it is? It doesn't necessarily say. But you can get an idea. If you were going to go machine this in a shop, you'd be able to pull all these parameters out here and explain the different pieces. And I think if I come over here, let's see here. I'm in dimension mode. I don't want to be in that mode anymore, so I'm going to escape. If I click on this, can I change its appearance? I can. So I'm going to put it in this mode. So check it out. So you have these different dimensions. And oh yeah, let me put another dimension here because I want to see what the height is. So you click that, and you can put this over here. It seems really an odd place to put that little measurement. And now I'm just making random measurements. So let's zoom it in a little bit. And we'll put DE on the keyboard. Click that point. Come straight down, click that point. Yeah, remember it was 1/2 inch that we created that. What other kind of measurements can we put in there? Let's put one here, here. And so in just a matter of minutes, in a matter of time, I have been able to somehow generate or create a pretty interesting setup. Of course, you would have so many more parameters on here if you were going to send this off as a drawing, but super cool that you can do those things. So with that, I'm going to save my drawing. I'm going to call it a day at Playing with Fusion 360. That was stepping into it, just showing it off. Let's go and 3D print our part. So today, I need to get into our slicer. Let's go check this out. We're going to open up Simplify. That's my favorite one to go through today. And we're going to check out our pencil holder. So I got PLA loaded on the thing, so we're going to do a PLA one today. There's our pencil holder. Let's see how big this is. Huh. I guess it looks somewhat like about the size to actually hold a pencil. Like that's going to do the thing that we needed to do. Okay, what do I need to click? So clicking in the middle button, man, that always trips me up. Going between all the different programs here. This looks pretty good. I don't know if a pencil will fit in there. It looks like, excuse me, it looks like it's going to do the thing that we need it to do. These little guys right here, I'm not going to really affix it to something. But let's throw that on PLA. Let's see what settings we got for infill here. 50% seems a little excessive. I'm going to go down to 15. And shoot, that looks good, right? We don't need anything more. I'm going to prepare that guy to print on PLA. And 1 hour and 6 minutes. That's perfect. That's what I like to see. We're going to have this part in 1 hour, 6 minutes, pencil holder, amazingness in PLA. So now I have to step away from the camera. So let's go check it out and see what we can do over here. So I don't even know what I'm seeing right here. There we go. All right, so I'm about to go over there, and you're going to see me dinking around. You probably won't hear me very well because Mike's a little bit too far away, but I might yell to you and explain what I need to do. I need to get my SD card. I need to throw it in this computer, save this guy up, and then we're going to turn that guy on, and we're going to start printing our object. So let's do that right now. All right, so as you can see, when you get in here and you're working on your device, you have to save it to disk. So click that, and it's a pencil holder. There's one of them. So I'm gonna do X1. There's only one that I'm printing out. That's how I do. And then off on the back here, this is my thing, so I know what kind of filament I'm using, so I can preload it if I ever want to print it again. So let's save that to my SD card. And as you can see in the bottom right, it's saving that. Oh, you can't see crap. You didn't see what I was doing. That was bad on me. Oh, a little screen of... So apparently when I click over to my full cam on desktop, let's see here. This is the right one. That one's showing the right thing. I just saved it. I click on this button right here, saved it to my little SD card, and now we should be able to go and load it up in the printer. I think one of the more fun shots to look at is my nozzle. So let's just click it over to the nozzle. And then that way, when you turn on the printer, you'll see it load right on that top area there and see all the different things that I'm going to do to get this guy going. I don't know if you can hear that from all the way over here, but that fan makes a ridiculous noise when I first start this up. A little bit of a faux pas on my part is I seem to have misplaced my clippies. My little clips to clip off some of that stuff off that nozzle. So I'm going to have to make do with something else. Let me see what I can do. I'm seriously bummed because I can't find my little clippies. I just went and looked for them, and I must have, I've been doing some 3D printing and organizing this weekend, and I don't know where the hell I put it. So I'll deal with that later. You don't need to watch me go search for something while I'm trying to live stream, because we clipped off some of that extra piece that you saw. So you saw me use some, I guess just some wire clippers there, and I clipped off that little piece. There's still a little chunk of it on there. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay. So we got to let that thing warm up. We 3D printed. How long have I been streaming thus far? It can't be that long. It looks like it's been, I don't even know where to look, honestly. Oh, live time. 35 minutes. From Fusion 360 to 3D printer in 35 minutes. So good. All right, well, you know what we're here for tonight. It's really to just play some Witcher. That's what I was here for. I don't even remember where we left off. I think like last time I went to like a wedding, and then I like did all kinds of little things. That was a pretty long one. I think it was pretty like legit pieces on there. Oh, we got to hear some Witcher. Let's make sure we can hear it. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Look at that crow. He's right below me. He's like chilling. He's like dancing. What's he doing? Hey, crow. What's up, yo? He's like tripping out. Oh, yeah. Flap those wings. Is he going to do something? Go fly away. Oh, what are you eating? What am I doing? Well, not me personally, but my Witcher dude. He's just like chilling. And this crow's just like, yo, what's up? I'm going to be all up in my cycle. Just kind of chewing on these little bugs over here. Flap my wings. I ain't going to fly. I ain't going to do nothing. All right, let's stop watching that. Skip. Let's just do a straight continue. I feel like I set myself up usually when I do these kinds of things, so I'm really hoping that I'm in a good place and I'm not like screwing myself. Maybe I'm in the middle of a mission. I don't know. I hear some wind. You know, I just realized is how the hell am I going to... I'm not going to play on this little baby-ass screen over here. I need a way to, like, see it full screen. Let me see if I can fix that. Let me see what I could do to fix that. Okay, so that would be... my Xbox. There we go. You don't know what I'm doing over this end. So I have this little screen that I can see things, but I need to project it to a bigger screen so that I could play it. It's not the screen I wanted it on. Come on now. All these monitors are labeled all different. It's stupid. Aha! Just by random happen chance, I got it right on the screen that I want to watch. Oh, how fun this is. Where are we going to be today? Where are we getting into? I heard there's like a Witcher re-release, super high def version. Shoot, if that comes out, I might be playing on that guy, starting over. I've only had a little bit of time playing in here, a couple hundred hours maybe. All right, I'm in Oxford. Recruit the rest of the crew and prepare for a robbery. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be doing some robbing. Got some meat over here and some herbs. It's always nice, you know. Got to get your meat and herbs. This almost looks like somebody like just dropped some paint. That doesn't look like blood just splattered everywhere, but shoot, what do I know? I don't like go kill things, so I don't know. All right, who are these guys? Yo, what's up? What's up, boys? Oh, this is looking familiar. Dude's smoking on his pipe. How do you keep your hair like that, man? I have a similar hairstyle, but I can never keep it. Do you shave it every day? I go one day and my hair's all grown out. This lady like put me on a mission. I had to do something. She calls me like some interesting name now. I can't remember what it is. It's been too long. All right. Get a new hairstyle, boy. All your boys have it. Smoking pipes, similar hairstyles. I get ya. All right. I think we need to go figure out what we're doing on this map here. Okay, so I gotta go recruit some folks. Recruit the rest of the crew. How far are these guys gonna be? They're not even on this map. How far back do? Oh, let me go in the world map. Pull ourselves out. Ah, we got our crew over in Novigrad. Let's go check it out. Where are you guys hanging out? Wait. Are you in there? Am I just trying to figure it out? I gotta just go find you? I feel like you gotta give me a waypoint. I'm gonna ditch out on this quest. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what that usually means, right? Go over to this place. Go to Novigrad. Go check your stuff out. Maybe this is what it is. No, these are these, is it? No, those are location marked by the player. These are my little marks. Huh. Uh-oh. Hold on. We've got 3D print time. We gotta just check this out. Look at that little piece coming off of it. I need to just drop it down just a tad. I think that's what I need to do. All right, we're set. 3D printing. We got our little pencil case being created in PLA at the moment. Life's good. Now we can play some Witcher. Okay, so trying to figure out what the fish we're gonna do here, and it feels like. Well, let me go. It says so. We're in Valen right now. That's where I'm chilling. But it's trying to tell me that I need to go somewhere else to go and find some stuff. Do I have to go to Novigrad? Is that what it's trying to tell me to do? I feel like... Well, that's a custom marker because that's a brothel. I know that's a brothel. Oh, jeez. The Glory Gate. Welcome to the Glory Gate. All right, fine. Screw this. I'm not going to do this mission right now. I want to do something else. I want to look at my character. Well, I can definitely check out what I got going on with my character. I got some points available to spend. What do I want to do? What do I want to upgrade? These ones gourmet. I don't know. Some of those ones you can't jack up the abilities like you can other ones. I'm not sure there was anything I was really looking forward to getting. I could probably like level up a current version of something. What do I got over here? What's this one? Steady aim. Time slowed for when I'm throwing bombs. I feel like bombs suck in this game. Like I cannot get them to damage things whatsoever. But yet I have 2 bomb specialties in here. I need to fix that crap. Strong attack damage increased by 20. Adrenaline point game. That seems like a one to upgrade, so I can come over here. Wait, what's this one do? Crushing blows. Increases strong attack critical hit by 2%. What's this one? Just increases. You know what? I'm going to get that one up. So which one did it just take out for me? With the fish. I'm gonna put that guy back in here. There we go. Cool. That's fine. I just randomly went in there. Just spent some points. Recruit the rest of the crew and prepare for the robbery. Oh, crap. I'm in the middle of this thing. Look at all these little things I already did. Go to Barazzi Auction House in Oxford and ask for the owner. I did that. Man, I should have probably not quit when I needed to go get my crew. Because I don't even know where my crew is now. So where the heck am I supposed to go? Man. All right, let's see what other quests I got going here, though, first. See some secondary quests. All right, well, that one. Any treasure hunts? I'm at 38. What's this? Inheritance surprise? Search the ruined cellar. Screw it. Let's go check that one out. It's got to show me where I'm at. I got to go. Let's see where I'm at. Aha! Got a little checkpoint on there. Okay. Let's just jump into this guy. Oh, I can't fast travel. Because I'm not by a sign. But you know what? Before I do that, since I'm in this bar right now with these dudes and ladies, and I'm going to see if maybe I have to recruit them from in here on that other quest. Because now that I think about it, that might be why there's no checkpoint on it.
No stranger to the bottle, eh?
Let's go back to that quest. Main quest. Hey, whoa, whoa. Where did that one come out of there? Envoys and wine boys. All right. Let's just check. I'm just going to walk around here and talk to a couple guys. Yo, what's up, man? You want to do a robbery?
Hey!
Hey!
At your service, Squire.
Yeah, well, let's rob. Let's rob some people. That's what everyone's talking about. Ugh. You guys are boring. Just smoke all day? Let's do a robbery. Wait a second. Prepare a cleansing mixture that will weaken the Redanian soldiers? I'm a little confused right now. I could have sworn that we were straight up on a different quest. Did you not see that earlier? I have it recorded on stream, so we can definitely see this in a little bit here. But let's go back to our quests. I feel like it was telling me to do something else. Oh. Open Sesame. Open Sesame again. There's 2 Open Sesame? 3 Open Sesame? 4 Open Sesame? What? I'm so confused right now. So it feels like you do one and then you have to do like a couple other ones. I don't know. I don't know about this. I feel like I'm like stumped on this one and I should probably do these. These are all 34. Ugh. All right. Well, I'm going to knock these ones out. Screw it. That's what we got to do. So let's see where I need to go next. I got to go make a potion, I guess. Can I do it here? I am so confused right now. I feel like I should know exactly where I need to go, but there's no checkpoint. There's nothing to tell me where to go. So I'm lost. This is what you don't do after certain weeks. This is why some people don't like these kinds of games. Because you just don't know what the hell to do. Let's go to world map again. Let's check this one out. Aha! Ho ho! Look at that. We can do something on this one. We got 2 places, 2 checkpoints, and one's really close by. I can walk to it. Let's do it. Let's do it now. All right. Yeah, you guys go. Get out of my way, boy. All right. We're going to convince... Oh, these are the dudes. So it broke it up into a bunch of little chunks of things. Can I go into this door? Hello. Anybody there? Guess not. I got to go and jump a wall, go through this thing. Okay, I see. I'm going to have to use my skills at convincing people to rob stuff. Yo, what's up, dudes?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, this rain feels so nice. Such a hot day today. Whoa, kid. Watch where you're running. You can't just run out into traffic like that. I feel like I'm completely going the wrong way. I know I'm going the wrong way. Wait, hold on a second. Let's see where we're at. I just completely ran across a bridge like an idiot. I should have looked at my my checkpoints there. Okay, I'm just coming back this year, you know, just enjoying a little bit of the rain. Here you go, sir. Here you go. Oh, sorry. Did I stink or something? Begging, and then I come up to give you some cash, and then you, straight up trip out on me. Just make sure I'm going the right way. I feel like I am. I feel like I'm good. I'm good. Oh, yeah. I'm almost there. Oh, look at that huge-ass sword that I got on my back. All right, there's somebody here. Hey, what's up? You all want to rob some stuff with me? Hola! Housekeeping? Want me fluff pillow? Housekeeping. Want me jack you off?
Hey, anyone in there?
I'm gonna have to bust in this place. I kind of feel like it's a trick. Oh shit! Look in that door. Somebody scratched some stuff. Uh-oh. It's a special code.
This does not look good.
All right.
Blood. Someone knocked their head on this beam. Open cut.
Hey. Don't worry about me. Just waiting. Don't be all looking at me. Mind your own business. Jeez. People these days. All right, let's find where we need to go. Just walking around. We got some
Bare feet. Fresh prints.
Fresh Prince of Bel Air. All right.
Crawl back under your rock.
Bump, 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 bump. Hey, man, what's up? You cold? Let me give you some fire. Here you go. Wait, how do I fire this up? Had the icon to do it. Oh, there we go. There you go. Look at that. I'm a magician. I have fire in my fingers. This guy's gonna go wash his bloody head off over here.
Come on.
Oh, snap, dog. You should have thought of that before you came in here. Oh, ow. Axing me. Not cool, man. Not cool. He blocked it. That was a good block, guy. I'm surprised I got hit by a thug. I'm a witcher. Oh, Jesus. That was brutal. Who's gonna clean that up? I feel like, oh, he's good. This is a good thug. Why are you thugging it, yo? You could be, like, in a different army and stuff. Oh, I need to do some trickery with him. Oh, haha. Oof. So good that I knocked his freaking helmet off.
We're right into trouble. Gotta find him fast.
Oh, shit. I didn't want to grab that. Crappy swords. What do you got over here? Oh, we got a letter. And an ear? I'll take an ear. I'm down with that. Alright. Let's see here. Where is this dude? You in the boat, man?
Blood. Still moist. Nothing beyond that. Trail ends here. Or continues underwater.
Underwater? That seems pretty sus. Did you kill him? They buried him underwater. He's underwater. No way. How do I dive? Oh, there we go. I'm diving. I saw something under there. It was red. It's really hard to see. I can't see nothing. There's probably a potion I could take right here. Oh, uh-oh. What's this? Ah, snap. He's dead. Wait, is he dead? Oh, shit. I thought I was gonna save this dude.
Hugo's sleeping with a fish. No two ways about it. Gotta find Eveline.
Ah, poor dude. He's probably a thug anyway, though. Maybe. Okay, let's go find this other folk. Let's see what we could do here. See how far away they are. Maybe we could take a boat there. Ah, we could take a boat. How close are we to... Let's see here. There's a little bridge right there, so I don't know if I could get under that. Get all the way up into this thing. Look at this. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. And then you got Carlston. Okay, that's not really Carlston, but it looks like it. Let's get ourselves to the Western Gate. That's about... I think we're going to fast travel. Yeah, it's a little lazy of me, but you know what? Screw you. That's what I'm going to do. There's a little bunny. Hey, bunny. How you doing? Oh, shoot. I almost burned some children. So sorry. I did not mean to burn you. I was super hungry for this hare. I needed some meat. I apologize. Wait, did I kill something else over here? What was this? Oh, I got 2 bunnies. You always gotta eat your meat. I am sorry for almost burning your children, ma'am. Completely an accident. They got away okay. Don't worry about it. Ooh. Got some nice steeds here. Ah, snap. Where is that? I'm gonna have to... I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it over there. Ah, screw it. I'm stealing this dude's horse. Can I get on it? Give me the horse. I can bring my own damn horse. What's up, boy? What's up, Roach? Heck yeah, we gotta go. Go make our way to,
Take it easy.
Oh, you can't speed on here. I see how it is. You can only go so slow. Good day, good day. Hello, everyone.
Slow now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this? Let's go talk to these people. What the heck is this? What the heck? Ooh. Let's talk to this dude. What's up, dude?
Interesting basilisk you've got there.
Course it's interesting. Won't see a beast like this anywhere near here. They spawn only in the wild wastes of Zerrikania, from eggs laid by cockerels.
Huh?
Cockerel eggs, you say?
Yeah, and what cocks they are. Lift their rumps like brood hens to other cocks. Eggs laid by such a cockerel must be brought to hatching by 101 venomous vipers. Then the young basilisk pecks its way out.
This basilisk is interesting because it looks exactly like a wyvern. Young one, and ill-fed at that.
You talk nonsense, sir. This here's the most truest of basilisks.
Right, what do I know? I'm just a witcher.
Hold on now. If that's no basilisk, but some wyvern, what did I pay for? Give me back my con cheat.
Uh-oh.
Brave soldiers, don't push, or it'll... Right, watch out!
Oh, I'm gonna punch him. Yeah, take the punches, Wyvern. Just kidding. Burn you. Oh, it's dead already. Kind of burned it. It's like a baby one.
Guess the cage was as fake as the basilisk.
Oh, what a day, what a day. Hey, Roach. It's all in a day's work. Wait, what does it have on it? Liver, wyvern, scales, wyvern egg. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with all that crap. But I'm going to take it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to make a potion. Get away from my horse. Oh, yeah. There we go. Steed up. Fastest saddle in the whole Novigrad.
Run, Roach.
Which way do I want to go? Oh, I guess I'm going this way. Getting stuck in the geometry. Man, I love this game. There's so much to explore. See something over there in red. Man, what the heck happened over here?
Take it easy.
Huh. It's like all abandoned. Oh, I should have taken that way. I think I'm going to get off now. All right, Roach. Thanks, buddy. How close am I? Oh, I'm in Carlston. All right. We're going to get over there. I say it Carlston. It's Karsten. Karsten? Is that what it is? Talk to the locals. What's the name of this city? Where are we at?
When I grow up too.
Yeah? Okay. See that lightning in the background? That was creepy. These sheep? Nice. There's our boy. Mervin? Oh, Merrin. Merrin? Hey, Merrin.
The minute we're in trouble, you make me responsible for getting...
Is it Elf?
As in Maribor. Remember Maribor?
Dove, please don't change the subject.
Part of the
Mind
circus?
if I do?
That depends. Who might you be?
Geralt of Rivia, Witcher. You Eveline Gallo, the Ermine.
Only to friends.
Calm down, Merrin. No need to puff up. And you, talk. What do you want?
Who am I talking to? The girl or the guy? Because if I say I want to speak privately with the girl, that dude might get all up on him. All right, let me just let's do it this way.
Got a job for you.
Truly? Of what nature?
Anonymous performance. No audience. At a certain auction house. Pays as much as you can carry.
Eveline, I beg you. You don't know him.
What's that supposed to mean? He introduced himself. Did you not hear? Geralt of Rivia.
Stop pretending you don't understand me. You cannot know if he's to be trusted.
Not a soul can be trusted. You've none of a Fink's features. But you see, I've a problem.
Let me guess. Let's see. I'm all ears. What is it?
All right, out with it. What's this problem?
See, we were to do a show. The tickets have all sold. Alas, our friend and colleague, Hawkeye Van, well, he's gone blind. Drank some hooch from a questionable source. A sad story, but not the point. The crowd awaits, so either we find a replacement for him, or we shall have to return the coin. All good and fine, but we've not spent it already.
I think I know where this is going.
Then I shall get straight to the point. Stand in for Van, and I shall help you.
What do I have to do?
Oh, crap.
Jump through some flaming hoops?
No. Shoot your crossbow, hit a target.
Eveline, I'm not certain that's a good
Dude,
idea.
chill the hell out.
It shall all come out in the wash. So, Witcher, what'll it be?
Hells yeah. Wait, maybe I could refund the tickets instead? Nah, I'm gonna perform.
Not a bad shot with my crossbow. Why not? I'm in.
Splendid. So, shall we begin?
Let's
Folk
do
are
it.
nervous.
What? Me now? No rehearsals?
What's there to rehearse? You're to shoot and hit a target.
Hit it square on.
All right.
All right.
Let me see if I get
Do or
this
die.
going.
Let's Let's begin.
I can't even remember how to shoot.
A man who boldly dares, damn the risks. Come!
Oh, crap.
And now, good folk, the highlight of our program. Standing before you, Geralt of Rivia, victor of marksmanship contests in Angren, Dol Blathana, and Lobindon.
Oh, shoot. She's talking me up.
Wow, prime!
What? But
Shh, Geralt, grab your crossbow and get to work.
Ah, shit. I feel like I'm under a lot of pressure right now. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. Let's do this thing. Oh god, if I kill this guy. Oh! Snap! Guy, don't move. Oh! Oh! I thought I was gonna get him straight up in the hand. Hey. This is amazing. This is okay. This is one on his foot. This dude. No wonder why that dude is tripping. She's not the one that has crap on her. You stay there for a minute, buddy. Oh! Whoa! That's it. That was it. Hells yeah. Trust me now, boy.
We end with an audacious feat by Geralt of Rivia. We thank you for attending and hope to see you soon.
There was like 5 people in the audience. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shame that man didn't shoot the elf. That would have been brilliant.
You know, I doubted I'd emerge from that ordeal in one piece. Fine work, Geralt.
Well, one performance down. What of the next?
Wait.
herbalist has a hut near here. Ring a bell? Go see him and ask for some yarrow extract.
Ooh, a mystery. I adore mysteries. Till later, Witcher.
That was good. Just shoot a few apples and, you know, you're set. I got somebody. This is like the team assemble mode. You know, you're assembling the team. I feel like it's Ocean's 11. You gotta go find the people. You got the carnival worker. Now who are we going for next? Oh, wait, whoa, let's take a second here. We can see where we're at with the print here. Holy smokes. That thing is going so quickly. Look at it, I got this other cam too. I'm gonna see it from this side. Oh, that's so fun. Can't believe we made that just like 5 minutes ago. Wait, how many minutes ago? 30 minutes ago. Good stuff. All right, let's go and see what we need to do next. Mercenaries camp. It's not too far. I think what we can do is get our handy steed here. What's up, dude?
Run, Roach. Whoa!
Like, I follow the road, but then I look at the map and try to go with the arrow in which directions it's pointing me towards. Ooh, some wild horses. Hello.
Slow now. Whoa.
You know what would be terrible right now? Is if I got into a fight with the Leshen. Those things suck. If you haven't watched, there's a show on Netflix. Obviously, there's the Witcher show on Netflix that's going to come back out, I think, in December, the 2nd season. But there's also an animated show. And I watched that the other day. And they had this jacked up Leshen thing in there, and it was tripping me out.
Whoa there, Roach.
And it's true. They suck. They're really tough to fight. But it's the right kind of force to be able to fight one of those, though, I don't think.
Hey there.
All right, all right. I think we're where we need to be. Let's see what we could do here. This is wait, am I in the right place? I gotta be close. Shit. I overshot it. What's this over here, though? It's a question mark. Alright, we'll get that in just a second. I don't know if I overshot. No, I didn't overshot it. I haven't just made it there yet. Close. Hey, little deer. Oh, shoot. Got a big ass cliff here. So we can make my way down without killing myself. Pick up some flowers on the way. Oh, I did need some of that one. I see something in there. What you guys got going on over here? This is the boy we needed to find. What's up, man? Getting your practice on? Nice tattoos. You want to chit chat with me? Wait a second. Is this the guy? Oh, this is the dude.
You, Quinto?
The one and only. A pleasure. But who might you be?
Whoa, I'll have no pleasure here. Witcher, keep clear of the cage, right? First you used threat to extort coin, and now you want to scheme with my prisoner. Not a chance.
What did he do to step on your toes?
Ours, not ours. But he stuck sticks up a number of bankers' asses. Put a tidy price on his head, they did.
And as Master Hans of Sidaris is an enterprising individual, he decided to nab me and claim the reward.
Anyone give you leave to talk? Shut your trap.
I need Quinto. Alive.
And I need coin. Lots of it. Lucky thing I don't much care who pays me. You or the bankers.
Just as I said, an enterprising individual.
And just as I said, clamp it shut. Stop interrupting. Where was I? Right. Want me to let him go? Pay up. But I've a special rate for you. You fleece me. Now it's my turn.
Ah, shit. Let's quint
Buy
this.
him out. Pretty pedestrian. How about we play a round of cards for Quinto's freedom?
Yep.
Why not? But lose and the price on his head'll double.
Ah, smack. Whatever. I'm gonna gamble. Yep, let's do this.
What the hell? I'm game.
Got my fingers crossed.
I'll still get you out. All right, what set am I gonna run with today? Do I have to use Nilfgaard? Nah. I gotta go with my trusty Northern Realms. All right, let's see what leader card I got. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna roll with this one. All right, I think we're in. Let's see what cards I get. So he's gonna go first, punk. Let's see. Okay, that's okay. We have a pretty decent spread. Oof. All right. Question is, do you keep the decoy or do you not? Got two of those guys. I'm gonna swap out the decoy. Fine. Seems fine. The decoy might have been helpful. Let's just burn it right away. Hells yeah. I couldn't have got that with the decoy, I don't think. I don't think you can pick those. Fine. You want to play that game? Let's do this. Yep, keep taking your cards. Fair, fair, fair. Good move, good move. Wait a second. Okay, I got 12 cards. He's got 9, 23. We are going to pass. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. I don't have a way... Wait, what does this one do? That burns people. I'm not ready to use it, though. I want to put my 4 down. Okay, okay, I see. Wait a second. So he's at 15. Let's see here. Shoot. Can't remember what this does. Oh, here we go. Destroy enemies' closest combat units if the combined strength of all of his or her combat units is 10 or more. It's 15, right? Boom. And pass. Wait, he passed, right? Okay, cool. All right. All the chips on the table, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! And we got a recovery guy. My turn? Hells yeah, let's recover. Can I pull somebody out? Shoot, we got to keep that guy, right? Ah, shit. Well, it's 7. It's worth 7 at least. I wonder if he has any guys. Wait, can I use my... I'll use that in a little bit here. Of course you're going to freeze my ass, bastard. Shit. And that's like the most I have. I don't think I have any clear leather. I might be screwed this round. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. He has 4 cards left. Let's see what he can pull out of his hat. He's definitely has some. So I think I get the full 7 on her because she's a specialty. Ah, shit. That was not good. But give me the 4. That's cool. I'll take it. Oof. Wait, she couldn't heal anybody? Oh, that wasn't a bring someone back. That was a, I see what that was. Okay. So what do we want to do next? We'll roll with this guy. That was a pretty smooth move on his part. Ah, crap. Ah, crap. I should have known. Okay. Wait. What does this one do again? Oh, can I not use my leader card? Oh, there's nobody to use it on. All right, we're gonna work with my Geralt. He is stacking that thing up pretty crazily. Oh, you pass? He passes. Aha, I win. Boom. I won that guy out of prison. What can I say? I'm good at Gwent.
Pass for me, too. Let's total it up. I win.
That dude's not going to be
Heavy-handed
happy.
hands, the Tretogor maneuver, with cards like that.
That dude's so pissed right now. Oh, he's so mad.
Get him out of here before I fucking burst out. What? How did you?
Fishbone, did it yesterday. I was waiting for a lull to slip out. Witcher showed up before I could. Let that be my recommendation. Now, do tell. What's it you need me for?
Need you to open something for me. Something bigger than a cage.
Sounds interesting. Dying to hear the details.
Herbalist's hut near Oxenford. Knock on the door. Ask for yarrow extract.
We're assembling the crew. All right. We got Quinto. We got the lady. I can't remember what her name was. All right. We earned some points here. We got through a quest. Let's see where we're at. Ah, yeah. See, all the open sesames have now closed up. Except for this one. Recruit the rest of the crew for the robbery. Now, I'm a little bit... Like, that dude's dead, right? So I can't get the whole crew. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see. There's got to be one more on the crew, right? Shit. That one dude is dead. So what the hell am I supposed to do? I screw the mission over because I didn't save that dude? Where's that little, Oh, there it is. Clear that. Okay. Where might be the rest of the crew? So it feels like that dude that died, he was like the guy that I needed. But look, there's a question mark here. Maybe I need to go to this. Traffic has not been found because that was close to some of the other areas that I needed to find. But you usually have a marker. And I am not seeing a single marker to help finish assembling the crew. Let's go take a quick look. Where are we at on our... Oh, we're getting to the top area. 61% done. We're nearly complete. I'm a little bummed. Because, like, I think I feel like I found the dude. And then he was under the... He was dead. So what am I supposed to do? I can't do the heist?
Looks like rain.
Oh, yeah, it's raining. It's been raining for the last 4 or 5 days, dude. All right, where do we need to go? Let's go find our way. I guess we're going to go to this little thing right here. Since there's a question mark there. Use our boy, Roach. I feel like my horseback riding sucks. I like crash into everything. It'd be so fun to just drive a warthog through this. Somebody make that mashup and give it to me.
Show me what.
Oh shit, there's some wolves. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I just said I was crashing into stuff. I'm getting stuck in geometries here. It's alright, alright. We're just gonna take this little road. Maybe we can get around here. Just cut through this little shortcut right here. Alright, I got away from the wolves. This looks like a church. But I know this is not my location. We're just going to get around it. Looks like a little castle with some things. Oh, wait. Don't fall off an edge. I know there was one around here. We're almost to the question mark. And usually a question mark means that there's something you have to fight. Or, oh.
Take it easy.
Yep. What is, oh, it's just it's one of those things where you can get a power. A place of power.
Slow now.
Let's get off here. Let's go check it out. What's up? Oh, shoot. I was supposed to jump. That was a jump, and I didn't do it. I think it's a jump. Yeah!
Magic.
So,
A place of power.
so magic. I don't want to get this place of power. But now we know what that is. All right. I don't think you know how disappointed I am right now that one guy got killed by those folks. Like, could I have saved him? Did I miss something? Like, who do I report to? Everyone's dead. I guess we just go to the hut. Let's do that. Let's see what our quest abilities are. First of all, just check a few things. Okay, our swords. 82. Probably can replace that or update it. Okay. Let's quest up. Let's see if it shows on the map. Not seeing it on this map. There's a yellow thing right here. This yellow thing tells me there's something in Novigrad. So maybe the third dude, I just have to go to Novigrad and just troll. Figure out where this guy's going to be. Like, I feel like that's the only thing that I could do. It seems so ridiculous though. All right, I'm gonna go to town square. That's what I'm gonna do. Need to find a village.
Come on, Roach.
Or a sign.
Slower.
This looks like it was a horse race at some point with those little flags like that. I've definitely raced this. It's a pretty tree, blossoming at this time of year. I do not think that this rain has stopped since I've gotten in the game. Yo, what's up? Anybody want to do a heist? Looking for people to do a heist with me. Asking for heist? It's bad luck? Alright, fair enough. I feel like I'm probably running away from a sign right now. If I follow this path, though, I'll probably find my way back to something. There's some kind of demon. What is that? Wait, what the hell is that? Wait, I gotta see this. Is that a bear? Oh shit, it's a night wraith. Crap. Alright. I don't want to fight you. Thought you were a bear. I want to fight some ghost right now. I needed some meat. Alright, screw this. Let's find a place with a sign. So close. Good time for me to look at that. Otherwise, I would have been
faster,
really far away. Hello. I need to fast travel. So according to what I'm supposed to do, if I fast travel to Novigrad, there might be somebody here. I don't know where the hell they're at. They say go to Novigrad. So let's go here. Go by my place. That's coming out so nice.
Prowls the city, but you're not scared, are you? We will set aflame once we're gone.
Heist! Who wants to do a heist?
Jolly.
Hey, you want to do a heist with me?
Fancy a hop back to my place?
No, I just need a heist person.
I suppose we all...
Looking for heisters. Anybody in here want a heist? You guys suck. I'm just randomly running around trying to find somebody to heist. I don't feel like it's gonna work. I don't think my ideas. I've never been up on this bridge though. I definitely am gonna go up here, check it out. Looks pretty nice. That moon in the background. I'm pretty sure we're gonna heist against you guys. Just letting you know if you want to join the heist, because we'd kick your ass otherwise. Didn't want to join the heist. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is a fruitless effort to just run around randomly trying to find somebody to heist. That would be, like, ridiculous if I actually just bumped into somebody. I was hoping to, like, have some sort of interaction that would have said, oh, welcome to Novigrad. You should go and talk to this guy. I went to look for Dandelion. He wasn't ready. He wasn't down. Uh-oh, there's a brothel. Look at that. Some hearts on the screen if you look in the upper right. Oh, you can't see that because my face is over it. I'm not going to stop at a brothel. Wait a second. Hold on a second. Oh. Dip my dingle? What? No, thank you, ma'am. I'm looking for heist people. Do that after the heist. All right. Let's try to be a little bit more logical here. I'm gonna very slowly look over this world. See if I'm missing something. Plenty of places I've visited. I'm sure I could drum up a freaking heist person if I really needed to, but no one. Am I like skipping it? This is tripping me out. I might have to like go and look online for this shit because this is driving me nuts. That little freaking thing is telling me I should go here. It's telling me there is someone here. I guess I just need to like talk to people. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Go to like all the herbalists or something? Maybe that's the thing. I just go talk to that herbalist. But you would think that they would push me towards that. I think this is maybe where we're going to have to stop for the evening. And then we're going to come back once I figure out what the hell to do to get to the heist. So there is your evening with me in The Witcher. We will be back to finish Open Sesame once we can figure out who will join us for the heist. In the remaining time, let's just go and take a peek at what's going to go on with our pencil holder. It seems like that is going to be an epic build. So we're at about 78%. Let's go and take a quick peek at kind of what we had built out today. So looking at it, let's fix this up. Make sure you can see the right one. This is in the slicer, so we're at, if we look at the nozzle, a layer 111. So let's go and take a look at where we're at on this. So 165. So we still have a little ways to go. So what was it? An hour and 6 minutes? How long have we been running on that nozzle? An hour and 1 minute. So usually it's off by about 10, 15 minutes or there. But I think you got the point. We got something built. We got it sculpted, figured out. We looked at some of those cool drawings. We will be able to look at this next time. So thank you so much. You have a good evening. Hopefully you enjoyed tonight. This is Adam signing off from Adam.